Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reactivate your disabled Discord account. If you disabled your account by yourself, you need to open Discord application or open Discord in a web browser and enter your username, enter your password, click login. Now you see the message that account is disabled and just click on restore account and your account is restored. If your account was disabled by Discord, open a new tab in your web browser and search for Discord support. Hit enter, go to Discord support website and click on submit a request. In this drop-down, select appeals and age update requests. Now enter your email address linked to your Discord account. How we can help? Here you need to select appeal and action taken on my account or bot. What would you like to appeal? An action taken on my account. Now enter subject. Let's say this one, and in this field provide the detailed description of your situation, and if you've got email from Discord with the reason of disabling, attach files, let's say screenshots or PDF prints of your emails and so on. And make sure you are able to answer Discord email in 14 days after you submit a request, because otherwise there is a risk to lose account forever. So guys, that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. I hope your account will be fine. Subscribe to Guide Mentory, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.